In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color scheme in Divi Builder. If you spend a lot of time designing, adjusting the builder's color scheme can make the interface easier on your eyes and help you focus. Let's walk through it together at a comfortable pace so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. Start by opening Divi Builder on the page or post you're working on. If you're viewing a page on the front end, enable the Visual Builder so the editing interface appears. Give it a moment to load fully. Once it does, you'll see the Divi controls and toolbars around your layout. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Divi keeps its main panel with global controls. It may appear as a vertical sidebar or a collapsible panel depending on your configuration. If it's minimized, hover or click to reveal it so you can see the available options. Within that left panel, look for the option labeled Builder Settings. It's typically represented by a gear icon and clearly named so you can spot it quickly. This is where Divi stores preferences that affect how the builder itself looks and behaves. Go ahead and click Builder Settings. A pop-up window will open right on top of your workspace. This model contains several preferences, so don't worry if you see a few sections or tabs inside. It's all part of the same settings area. Inside the pop-up, locate the setting called Color Scheme. This is the control that adjusts the overall appearance of the builder interface. It doesn't change the colors of your actual page content. It simply updates the editor's look so it's more comfortable or accessible for you while you work. Select Color Scheme by clicking the drop-down next to it. You'll see a list of available options. Pick the one that feels right for your eyes and environment. Some people prefer a darker scheme for late-night sessions, while others like a lighter, high-contrast look during the day. If you're uncertain, try a couple of them to compare. You'll notice the color changes take effect immediately. The interface updates in real time so you can preview the look without refreshing or leaving the page. If it's not quite what you wanted, just open the same drop-down again and choose a different scheme until it feels right. That's all there is to it. With the color scheme set, you can continue building comfortably, knowing the interface is tailored to your preference. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more focused Divi editing experience.